Oh.
Okay,
This is Johan. He's getting it. He's getting it. He's getting it. Go, Johan. Go. Yeah. He's
Go, Johan! Go, Johan!
Shut up!
Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, Johan, go.
Oh, it stopped.
Aww.
Dang it.
It's fizzing,
So wet
guys.
now.
Look, it's fizzing.
Just keep on trying. Just so excited for this. Yeah, so we bought this from Save Mart without even buying a can opener.
Yeah. We're that awesome. Seriously.
Yeah. You know, we just spend our money like that.
Now all we have to do is just get Johan to open it because it's a strong guy.
We even bought cups to go with it too.
And Ryan missed out.
Yeah. Oh well.
Because he had to go get his model pictures.
Model
pictures. Just kidding, it was his sister. Almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there!
We're your moral support.
Do you think your church has a can opener?
It's locked.
Oh.
Probably though.
Okay. I don't think we'll be able to do this.
Yes, we will. We will.
We will. You're almost there.
Come on, macho man. Yay!
Ah.
It's okay, Johan. This is for America. Just break it. Just go bam.
I will.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys have got to back up.
Oh, he's not gonna do it.
Well, anyways, we're here at Melanie Seminary.
Yeah. As you can see, there's no seminary on Friday.
Let's zoom into that.
Aw.
No seminary on Friday. This is me in the morning. Okay. Role play. So, pretend like a car is here. Get out of my car. Hi, thanks for the ride.
Going to go see Devin. And learn. It's really open?
That's how I go to seminary. We should go look for a can opener.
Were you allowed to?
I didn't know it was open.
That was a good presentation, Mel.
Deserves an Oscar.
It's too hard.
I'll sit this here so you can observe.
Observe. Johan. Ow. Well, it's fizzing, as you can see. Yes. Child, if I get your camera wet, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Well, we can just drink it through that.
It's like we're like.
Get a cup, get a cup. Try getting a cup.
No, that won't work.
No.
It won't even pour any.
We should go look for a can opener. We should
Think
sneak in
online?
there.
Are you allowed to?
No, they're
Are you
Mormons.
still
They're
taking
nice.
video?
Yeah.
Why?
Should we?
We should make a part 2 of this video.
Okay, well this ends part 1.
Yeah.
Johan is still opening this, and we'll be right back.
Watch part 2.
Bye! How do you end it?